Finally, my PayPal account has been restored. Few days ago, they have limited my account and they said that I need to submit some documents and some more information related to my PayPal account. So I submitted all of them and they rejected one thing that was related to business information. So here you can see that provide your business information. The document you submitted was not the right one. You need to resubmit the correct document. I actually submitted my income tax report, so they rejected that. But after searching on internet, I finally found a solution. So let me show you what exactly I did, and that will be helpful for you. So I written this note, and then after I took the screenshot and then I uploaded this. So what exactly I written here? I am offering digital services. I don't need to buy products from supplier. I provide website coding solutions to customers and they pay for that. So the problem was that I don't have any registered business and I have not created any company. So this was the information which I uploaded, and finally they approved my account. You can also see the old emails like, we are reviewing your information. Then after, it is taking a bit longer to review, please provide more information. So that's how they were asking me, but finally I submitted this document and I end up with the solution that they have restored my PayPal account. So you can also try this solution. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.